So, on a beautiful sunny day, my son and me, my son sitting in the car, hiding from the work, we're gonna saw all this lumber today to wood, slabs, maybe some beams, we're gonna see. So I keep you on. Hello, my name is Wolfgang and my son Tristan is behind the camera.
Hi.
We bought a Frontier OS 3031. What's actually it's a Norwood, so yeah. I worked with an LM29 before from a friend of mine owned it. I like the Norwood. It's quite high. The height setting is awesome. By the way, nobody explains you what it is. It's just a cable brake in here, and no one is gonna tell you it's maybe a big secret, but it isn't. Really, it's really worked absolutely amazing well. Height is never dropping during cutting, nothing. It sets for days in my workshop. I never have a problem with that. So things that we're gonna change. This is the original trailer from US, but just the subframe. We added a tow bar and an axle from European standard with brakes, and a heavy front wheel and stuff that we get it through the tax inspection, and we pass it with no problems. So lights and everything is European standard. So what else did we change? We changed the height system. We changed it from inch to millimeters. We bought some magnetic stripes, mic'd them, and we got different settings you can see, and we got some more here, so they stay in place here, even they go 80 kilometers an hour. Yeah. What else did we change? This is the original cam dog. That's the holding system. You can put the logo. I Google the name. So we add two more from the backstops. This one, yeah, a friend of mine made me this one, so that's not original, it's true. From the backstops we add two more, because we find out you don't have to change them every time, so it's much easier. Yeah, we go around. I show you Rusty, old bucket. Our sawdust collector. It's an old piece of an old tire. I drilled a screw inside in here and drilled it, and yeah, put it in there. The safety inside, it's still in use. Nah, it's not. It's crap. It's always blocked. So this was a small walkthrough. Today we're cutting fir. And now Tristan is walking a few steps back, and then we cut. Oh wait, I explain you how the settings work on a Norwood. You go around. So, Tristan, yeah. So we want to have 40 millimeters above the saw bed. So then we go to the 25 mark, up or down, it doesn't matter, because it's not 25, it's just in the beginning. After that it's 28 for the saw cut. So we go here, so you see 40. So if I have one to, then I can raise the machine and have a second one, third, fourth, whatever. So when you see, it stays in place. So we're gonna check the height. Yeah, we make a small cut, you see, and this is now walking through steps back, and then we make some cuts, and it's quite easy. You turn the handle, one turn is about 28 millimeters, so it's so easy to use it. And if you want to change them or work with two, it's also work with two. You can move them in the height. You don't have to use the height setting by themselves. You can switch them like you want whenever. It's so easy to use, and it's the cheapest solution. If you buy some original, it's about $40, and this one is $3. So we're gonna show you how it cuts. use Norwood saw blades at the moment, 10 degrees, double-hearted. They work quite well. So you see, it worked pretty well. It's really accurate. We are really happy with the Sawmill.
Except of a few things like
recommend
the winch. That's good.
The winch. Tristan hates it. Yeah, it's a piece of the S word. Yeah, but to be honest, the next mill will be hydraulic. Fully hydraulic. Yeah, it's such a nightmare. You need the tractor, you need so much equipment, and yeah. But we never known if it worked out for our small business, because it's a 1.5 army, me and my son. Yeah, he's taller than me, so but yeah. But we never know if it's worked out for us. But it hit like the market like a bomb. So you see, that's all for customers. They give us the calls. Do you have some pine or fir? About the Corona crisis, everybody's prepared a garden or yard, and so they want to use some, I want to say, yeah, cheap lumber, but yeah, it's killed by beetles. So the whole bunch of woods was about 20 euros, so it's nothing. So yeah, maybe we gonna show you some more cuts on a bigger one. Don't criticize, the twisted ones will be end as stickers or firewood itself. So if you have some questions, we add an email address below, and then you can ask.
Or the comments.
Natürlich, wir sprechen auch Deutsch. Okay.
Können ja dann auch noch eine deutsche Übersetzung dranhängen.
Kannst aufhören. Jetzt hopp, Englisch rein, gib alles! Yes. Du sollst keine Rodeo machen, du sollst den Baum. Komm, jetzt gib alles! Häng dich mal ran! Gegessen hast auch wie ein Großer! Ja, dran wie so ein Schlückchen Wasser in der Kurve. Gleich fliegt er in den Wald. Pass auf, wir warten auf den Sprung und Sprung!